to knees.
Okay, off your butt. And arms moving. Good. And now Prince.
Prince transfers.
Put your, yep. Now remember, arms out. Nope, towards me. Yeah, Prince. Now knees down together, towards me. There's that, and then other leg up. That's it for Prince. There you go. Now keep your chest up, and now knee down to get knees together and turn. That's it, and back. That's it again. Nice. There we go. And now forward. And what do we do?
Arabesque.
And now grab the handles. Up on arabesque. Stretch that toe. Good. And then
back press.
And then come down backwards. Good. And do a press. Nice straight body. One leg up. Good.
Handle.
And now bend your knee and put your. That's it. Point that toe. Leg straight. Good.
Lay down to back roll to neck.
Good. Head to the side. Good. Go. Remember, right to flag now.
Half flag on neck.
And now look at the saddles. Keep your chest down. Now remember, you're going to have a baton in your hand. Yeah, that's it. Good.
Side hang.
Now put your leg through over to the other handle. Good. That was different. Side. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Good. And now
side star.
Now go up to your knees and then slide into your side. Good. Is that the range?
Off to outside.
2, 3, 4. Legs together and off.